Starlink telecommunication company soon to be operational in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. It's understood that a license was signed by Technology Minister Mr. Darrell Vaz for SpaceX-owned telecoms provider Starlink to provide services in Jamaica soon. The company sought a license to operate locally, which the minister stated intend to be approved sometime this week. The satellite internet transmission is hoped to provide services for many Jamaicans underserved. The push to diversity, the local telecoms market will see billions of Elton Musk SpaceX-operated Starlink services offering satellite internet to Jamaicans. Technology Minister Darrell Vaz says that once the approval is finalized, local could start benefiting before the end of the year. Currently, two major telecoms providers, mainly Flow and Digicel, operate in Jamaica, providing internet, telephone, and cable services through their fiber optic connections. The minister says that a third telecom license has been also granted for Rock Mobile, a Jamaican-owned company. Reports are that Nokia announced that it has selected Rock Connect to deploy a 4G light fixed wireless access network in Jamaica. The project aimed to cover 95% of the population by 2025. However, Starlink, a satellite internet constellation operated by SpaceX, currently provides satellite internet access coverage to more than 40 countries. It also aims for global mobile services for 2023. The company has been launching Starlink satellites since 2019 and is expected to launch another 52 Starlink satellites to orbit on Tuesday night. Just how the change is likely to result from the entrance of Starlink services to the domestic market is yet to be known. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.